first, though.
Okay. Hello, this is Lola Alice Kitchen. Me and my girls are going hiking today to the Bowman Bay. We're on our way there. And Malaya. And I have my Apu here, Malaya. Hold it over there in the outside. And no, don't touch it because it's on. And just like that. Just hold it like this. You see, we're on our way to Bowman Bay. We're gonna do our hike down there. And
Houses.
my Malaya is holding the phone, the camera. You can talk there too. And I have my two daughters, Anna and Rosalie. Rosalie is driving right now.
Mommy.
Hopefully it's sunny.
Yeah, we're hoping that it's gonna be sunny today, so we won't get cold, right, my mind?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me and that sweet woman's got a license to ride. Why don't you mind your own business?
The outside right there.
Mind your own business. Well, if you mind your business, then you won't be
Good talk.
minding mine. Oh, party lines and those head things. She picks up her receiver when she knows it's my ring. Why don't you mind your own business?
Okay.
Good talk.
Mind your own business.
Or you can just introduce yourself. Let's see. Hello, this is Malaya. Right there in the front so we can see Tita and Mama.
Hopefully the sun breaks. We're chasing the sunshine.
It's sunny. It's not inside the car. Went outside. Yeah, the day is getting nicer now. I hope it's not gonna rain. Because if it rains, it's gonna be very cold. Oh, look, my mind. Look at the sunshine.
Wow.
Nice sunshine.
Now we can barely just see it.
That's inside. Windy outside.
This is our car. This is us driving away to Bowman Bay.
Finding other people said it seems to be hard home. Alcohol and opportunities to mind my
Tell them what you're gonna do is
mind your own business. If you mind your own business.
Hello.
What did we have for lunch? Did we bring sandwiches? What did you bring, my mind?
On this trip, we have brought it some gum and a bunch of snacks, and we have some books to read and play, and we have one of my lemurs that can actually have video games in them. That's it. And I also have one mask.
Just in case. Very good.
Yeah.
Being prepared.
Yeah. Don't fall, don't fall. Nah. There we go. Nice and
Can you tell them how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Going on.
A trip with my mom, my auntie, and my grandma.
And we're gonna have fun, right?
Yeah, we're gonna have fun.
And Lolo is at home.
Yeah. Lolo's at home
But why?
because
Lolo cannot walk properly.
he can't be in the car because there's too many people in
We
it.
invited him to come sit by the water. He could have walked.
Yeah, we did. We did
But
invite
he wanted to
him.
stay. I think he needs a break.
It hurts here from his back.
Yeah. Screen's turning black.
Turning black.
Yeah, it's turning
Well,
black.
because you're holding it in the inside car, outside. You can see the road and everything. I don't know.
Do, 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 do. A
We're still
bunch
driving on the
of
highway.
stuff.
We stop for the stoplight, say.
Like